everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 12th to the 16th of September 2022 on Monday. She had tried to dissuade her mother from the idea of Menzi'S, but Nirupa is curious about why he just left. An almost all times moment between Mazulu and Phakade when Menzi'S arrives with breakfast for Phakade on Tuesday. Nirupa stalks Makhosazane's every move and discovers that she's been visiting a shallow grave. Nirupa confronts Makhosazane about this, and she is forced to confess that the grave belongs to Menzi'S, who no longer seems to occupy it on Wednesday. Phakade invites Mazulu to lunch at his house. Menzi'S arrives hoping to make another play for Phakade, and he invites her to join them. Left alone, Menzi'S warns Mazulu she will fight for Phakade and tells her about the love potion in the tea on Thursday. Phakade finally declares his love for Mazulu for all to hear, leaving Menzi'S heartbroken. Lindiwe wants to waitress at the cigar lounge again, leaving Lindo curious as to what she is up to. Finally, Nirupa and Makhosazane dig up Menzi'S grave and confirm he is really dead. But now the question is, who reburied him on Friday? Kanyo tried to warn Mzwalila about working at Maluchu, but he assures her that he'll be fine. Tushileni is surprised by the sudden attention that he's getting at Msamo. Nirupa mourn the loss of Menzi'S. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.